Finally, the day has come. If you like old shit, stay tuned because these 4 boxes are full of old shit. Yeah, I don't even know where half this crap came from. Some of it I remember, some of it I'm not sure, but most of it's just like dishes and kitchen shit. We've got some tall candles here that'll need some cleaning and fixing, but you know, one step at a time, right? Well, let's see what we got. These are literally the last 4 boxes that I haven't gone through since I've been home in the past 2 years. So this is a milestone for me, that's for damn sure. And there's a lot of cool vintage stuff in here. Some things I'll probably keep. I like to decorate with kitchen stuff because that's me. I like the kitchen. But there's some cool shit that I've never even seen before in here. That's for damn sure. And then there's other stuff that I remember from my childhood, like that tic-tac-toe thing right there. That's a Brookstone original, I'm pretty sure, if I'm not mistaken. I have so many vases. I'm going to have to start planting more flowers so that I can cut them and bring them inside because, Christ, lots of vases. Look at all this old shit. Look at all this. There's rolling pins, there's a lamp there, there's some sort of weird knife thing, there ladles, you know, all this crap has like lead paint on it, and it's all made of aluminum, and we wonder why we have Alzheimer's and all these, but hey, whatever. There's some cool, you saw the berry baskets in another video, and then all these dishes down here. These are cool, but they have chips in them. This is actual like 22 karat gold edging and everything, but there's chips in them and they're ready to break or they're very brittle. So I don't think anybody really wants these, but maybe I'll use them in the garden or something. I don't know, some whimsical crap. I don't know, whatever Martha Stewart does.